Hey guys, it's She. I'm back today with another video. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because I know you're gonna love this thrift haul. So Oreo wants to say hi, so come on, I think. Say hi. Say hi. Hi people. Whenever you see me, just know my mom about to show you how to make some money. She just shook over there and I just saw like a cloud of dog hair. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, or this is your first time to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is She. I'm a serial entrepreneur. So my business is mainly focused on home decor. I drop ship home decor on Facebook Marketplace. I resell thrifted items that are home decor related. I also sell at an antique mall here in Virginia Beach. I paint vintage furniture for resale and for custom, and I also love vintage clothing. So anyway, I spend a good majority of my days at thrift stores, okay? And so today I'm going to show you some of the amazing items that I purchased today. First thing I want to show you guys is this vintage top, and if I remember or feel like it, I will insert some pictures. That way you can see what it looks like on a mannequin. But anyways, this vintage top that has this gorgeous ruffle detail at the neckline. It has some floral embroidery all over it. Guys, this is vintage, and I'm going to show you how. I know. It has this International Ladies Garment Workers Union tag on it. This was made in America in the 1970s. So it is just absolutely fabulous. The buttons as well, I believe these aren't plastic, but I believe they're more like a shell material or something like that. So the brand on this one is Contessa Monique by Florence Alper. This is a size 8, and I have it listed on my Poshmark if anyone wants to buy it for sale. If no one buys this, I'm going to wear this myself because it is just absolutely beautiful. I paid $5.99 for this, and I'm going to be selling it for $68 because it is vintage. It has so many beautiful, gorgeous details. Also, if you're local in Virginia Beach, you can shop my booth at the Barrett Street Antique Mall, located at 2645 Dean Drive, Virginia Beach, Virginia 23452. You can just walk in and tell them you're looking for She's booth, and they will show you. But you guys probably already know what it looked like because you watched enough of my videos by now. Next, guys, is another International Ladies Garment Workers Union dress. This is absolutely beautiful. I think this could be sexy as like lingerie if you want it, or you could easily put like a tighter like dress underneath it in like a nude or a black. It did come with a belt, but that, however, is missing, and they just don't make clothes like they used to anymore. Look at this cute little detail on this. This is just so girly and feminine, and the color is just divine. Now this one, I don't know who it was made by. It just has a tag that says lot. It says size 10, dry clean only, and then here you can see it has that faded vintage tag in it. So somebody probably washed it or did something they weren't supposed to do. But it's a red, white, and blue tag, so this dates back to the 1970s as well. Guys, I picked this up from my local Goodwill. It used to be purple, but I painted this with Fusion Mineral paint. The color is called Enchanted Enchina, so it's like that dusty rose color, which I think is perfect for like an older woman or even for a little kid. So I painted this. It was shiny purple. Somebody had spray painted it. I painted it with the paint, and now it's so cute. Like, just imagine this on your wall, like with some decor on top. You can hang dog leashes. If this was in a little girl's room, I would hang all her little princess dresses up on this. It's just super, super cute. This is going to be going to the booth at the Antique Mall, and I also have it listed for sale. The price on this is only $40, so this is a steal if you're looking for something that has that unique vintage quality for your home. This is it for you, girl. And then this will be linked down in the description box if anyone wants to purchase. It is available for shipping. Next, guys, I have these beautiful shoes. These are by Kelly and Katie. I have these listed on my Poshmark, but they have this beautiful like tapestry design. They are brand spanking new, still have the plastic on the bottom, but I just thought they were fabulous. I am all for a round toe. These are size 8. I wear 8.5. So sad I can't fit them, because just imagine how cute these would be with like a really super cute girly feminine top, some skinny jeans, and a blazer. Like, girl, and they make me feel like Alice in Wonderland at tea time. They're just so cute. So I have these listed for only $27, and they're They'll be at the Antique Mall, and they're also listed on my Poshmark if you would like to purchase. So next, guys, I found this beautiful vintage serving tray. This one is by Godinger. Godinger is a brand I see a lot at the thrift store. Not super expensive, but this is a real silver tray. Has these beautiful ornate details. So what I'm trying to do now is everything at my booth, I really just want it to have a specific look. So I'm going for like a modern French country look. So I'm trying to incorporate more like natural wood. I'm trying to incorporate things that are a little bit more ornate. This would be so cute on a vanity to hold like your perfumes. This would be cute in a bathroom to maybe have like your tissue box, your this, your that, your all of that. You know what I'm saying? So super, super cute. I paid $3.25 for it, and I'm gonna put this in my booth for $25. I think $25 is a decent price because even the brand new trays that don't have as much detail as this one are like $30, $40, $50. So $25 is a steal for this. And then on the bottom, all you would have to do is just put a little bit of felt so that it doesn't scratch the surface of your furniture. Next, guys, I got these pillows. Y'all know I love to get some pillows, and some people think like pillows is gross, but I don't think so, because pillows usually, especially something like this, it's just gonna be decorative. Like somebody will probably put this on their bed when they make it, or like a cute little like accent chair in a room that no one really sits in. So that's why I don't mind getting pillows from the thrift store at all. People really don't touch them. Like I wouldn't put these on my everyday couch, but they'll be just for show. And it's that type of material that you don't even want to touch every day. So it has this beautiful like golden thread woven through. It has this embroidered overlay design. I got both of these for $3.98 each. In a thrift store in my local area, they do a 25% off sale every Tuesday. So I went on that day and was able to get 25% off of both. I'm currently working on this really super cute like bench. It's a wooden bench or whatever, and I'm gonna paint it white and distress it, and it's gonna be like real French country. So once that goes into the booth, then I'll take these pillows and have them sitting on top of the bench. But for now, I'm just gonna list them on probably Mercari and Poshmark for $40, which is pretty inexpensive. I think that they'll sell at that price no problem. Next, guys, I got this cute lamp. I am going to be painting it, and I really wish I would have already started, but I didn't. It has this gorgeous lampshade on it, which is like really fussy and traditional, not my style at all. But what we're gonna be doing is since the lamp works and it has all these beautiful details on the bottom of it, I'm just going to take a little bit of white paint and brush over it, then distress it up a bit so that way it'll be nice and French country. I also thought about adding some details to the shade, like a floral design, but I didn't want it to go like too grandma-y, but which will work with my style, because I think my style in my booth is like grandma chic. So it's like grandma looking stuff that can be brought into like modern day. It already has the felt on the bottom so you don't scratch your furniture. I got this lamp for $6.25. So it was like a no-brainer when I saw it. It reminds me of these candlesticks that I drop ship a lot, and people absolutely love the detail on them. Look at that. You just don't see stuff like that every day anymore, you know? So anyway, we're going to paint this up, bring it into the 21st. I'm just kidding. Anyway, guys, for the next two items, I have to go outside. We're going to go on a field trip. Alright, guys, so little field trip. One of these smells like cat, and I'm not sure which one. So I have them kind of sitting on my front porch for now. This little stool, this lady listed it online for free. She was like, free, come get it. It's on my porch. So I absolutely went and got it because it has the really cute carved legs, the French style legs. So I'm going to keep the fabric as is, and I have a spray that I just sprayed on them to disinfect, so the odor will go away. It also had a lot of dog hair, so I got all the dog hair off. It's being disinfected. I'm letting it just dry, and then I'm going to be painting the legs in either like a white or a pink. As you can see, this already has like a little pink in the tapestry, so I think even a pink leg would be cute. But we're gonna see. Now this chair is gonna take a lot of work, but the chair is just absolutely gorgeous. Somebody did an ugly stencil on it. Like, they clearly didn't know what they were doing, and it looks like they went in and just kind of like gave up. So anyway, what I'm gonna be doing is just painting the frame. I really want to take all of the paint off because look at this gorgeous natural finish on this chair is just beautiful. But they've already painted the fabric white, and they did this little stencil on the front. So what I was going to do is take some white paint all over this, and then go back and like distress it with a sander so that some of the gray comes back through, and then just add like flower transfers onto the actual fabric, because 9 times out of 10 it'll probably end up being a chair that someone won't sit in. It'll just be for looks. Look, right, gross. And this came from the freaking grass rug. I cut it for my booth. But anyway, I'm not too worried about it because the chair is going to get painted. But what do you guys think? Do you like the idea of me adding flowers to the seats and just painting the frame white? But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you really enjoyed it. If so, comment down below which item was your favorite. I can't wait to hear from you. If you're thinking about reselling and you don't know where to start, I definitely can help you. I offer one-on-one tutoring for how to start a resale business. Just click the link down in the description to take you to my consultation calendar and schedule an appointment, and we will go from there. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.